Today we're making a mozzarella stuffed Italian meatball sub.
Start with fresh ground beef. Season with salt, pepper, garlic, and Italian herbs. Add egg and breadcrumbs to bind everything together. Mix gently until fully combined. Place mozzarella in the center.
Seal it tightly into a ball.
Sear the meatballs until browned.
Brown all sides evenly.
Add marinara and let them simmer.
Cook until fully done and juicy.
The fresh sub roll.
Add the stuffed meatballs.
Top with extra marinara sauce.
Add more mozzarella. Bake until melted and bubbly. Perfectly melted. That mozzarella center makes it next level.
Try this mozzarella stuffed Italian meatball sub at home.